Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today we're taking a look at the Insta360 Go 360 4GB, a game-changing vlogging camera for creators and vloggers alike. This mini-action camera is perfect for capturing your adventures with its flip touchscreen, lightweight and portable design, and hands-free POV capabilities. Weighing in at only 35 grams, the Insta360 Go 3 is the ultimate travel companion, allowing you to mount it anywhere with its versatile magnetic design and a range of handy accessories such as the magnet pendant and easy clip. Whether you're mountain biking, traveling, or documenting your pets, this tiny action camera is up for the challenge. With a 170-minute battery life and remote control capabilities, the Insta360 Go 3 is a multifunctional action pod that offers seamless shooting and endless creative possibilities. And with its waterproof design, you can take this camera anywhere without having to worry about the elements. So if you're ready to take your vlogging and content creation to the next level, be sure to check out the Insta360 Go 3, available now through the link in the description. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on this game-changing piece of tech. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more reviews and content.